Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn something every day. In the previous video we learned about MS Excel sheet and how to create a table in it. If you do not know how to create a table in MS Excel sheet, follow the link which I have already given in the description of this video and learn about the creating table. Once you create the table and you have a huge amount of data and you need to search some data for your value, how will you do that? We will use the function of Vlookup to search a specific data. How we will use it? Let's see. If the table is in the vertical form, then we are using VLOOKUP. If the available data is in the horizontal form, then we will go for another function which is called Hlookup, and we will talk about that in the next video. So how this will work? Let's suppose I write some value over here. Let's suppose I wrote down the Nokia, and I want to apply the formula. So what will I do is to write down the function name over here, and first of all I will select this cell, the nearest cell, then I'll put the comma where I want to look the desired data. I will just select that amount of data, or if you can say, and select the entire table, and then put a comma. After that, what will you do? You will put the column number. For example, if I want the quantity of the specific value, I'll put 2, because this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Over here I'll put 2 because I want the quantity of the Nokia mobile. And after that I will put 0. Why I'm putting 0 over here, I will let you know about that after the in the end portion of this video. So if I look, the formula is got successful. What I did is that I needed the quantity of the Nokia. I wrote down the Nokia name over here, and here is the quantity. I have 8 quantity. Let's suppose I'm writing over here iPhone. So what amount of quantity do I have? I have 5 of them. Look over here. If I write down the PC, it gives me the quantity of PC. Let's suppose I do not need the quantity. I want to move for the price. The price. How will I do? I'll just edit the formula. Here is, and I'll put the prices in the third column. So I'll just put 3, and it will give me the price. Now look at over here is 2000 for PC. I want the price of the Samsung. Look, give me 600. Look, and the formula, at the end of the formula, I put it the 0. Why did I put the 0? Because I needed the absolute value. If I do not need the absolute value, I will put over here 1. Then look, it still gave me the answer, but if I do a little bit spelling mistakes, still it gave me the correct and the desired data. But in the first option I used, I put it 0 in the formula, because if I do a spelling mistake, that it will not give me the correct answer because the spelling was wrong. But over here there is a possibility. If you let's suppose I'm writing down iPhone over here, it gave me the answer, but if I do a little bit spelling mistake, it will not give me the answer. So it depends on you whether you use the 0 or 1, but most of the people are using 0, so I'll change back to the 0. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.